Hi there. I've got a website that, I've got a lot of websites that I'll be transitioning over to SiteGround, and I have the DNS zone settings here for a website that I want to bring over, and I need to ensure that the mail is transitioned over seamlessly. I'm a little bit new to this process. I've done one other site, but it had a third-party email provider. I'm not sure this is a third-party email provider in this case. To ensure that the mail is seamless, I assume that I pre-fill SiteGround with this text record and this text record. Please let me know if that's incorrect. The Family Boats MX record at the moment, I'm not exactly sure what to do with that. And potentially the mail.familyboats.com.au. So this is the IP address of where it is at the moment, this website. If you could give me any guidance on which settings to change so that the email is seamless, that would be appreciated. Okay, great. Cheers. Thank you.